Yeah. So, as we are meeting first time, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, you are not visible, dear. Hello, ma'am. Yes, you are visible. What happens sometimes you are visible?
Yeah, it is happening automatically. I'm like after clicking itself.
Yeah, now you are visible. So, as you know, my name is Geeta. I have two kids, and I have two kids, one daughter and one boy. If you talk about my qualification, I have completed 12th class in 2014, and nowadays I'm learning English because I want to make environment for my kids. And if you talk about my hobby, I like stitching, dancing, sometimes reading books. It's all.
Where do you?
I live in Dura, nearby Fatehpur Sikri,
Which state it is?
UP in Agra.
Okay, 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 okay. Now I got it. Okay. Would
Yeah,
you like to know about me? Shall I?
yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah. Why not?
Yeah. My name is Meenu Jain. I'm a homemaker, mother of two sons, and I also live in UP. It is close to Delhi. And if I talk about academics, I did BSc in Bio, and after that I did fashion designing. And if I talk about my hobbies, I love cooking, reading books, and nowadays I'm learning this language. So whatever I do, related this language, watching, reading, all things. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
So,
I want to
how
know
many?
more about you. I want to know more
How,
about you. When did you
okay.
start learning this language? When did you start?
I started my learning English because it's like a 3 or 4 months ago. But if you talk about my YouTube channel, I started my YouTube channel 1 year ago.
Okay. So what kind of a like content you were uploading there earlier?
First time I uploaded like a daily use sentence was these days are uploading you can say conversation video.
Okay, that is great. Hmm. That means you can say you started working on your English once 1 year back, last year. Like you
Yeah,
were
you know.
learning sentences, you are uploading. So that is also no. You are just learning something in that way also. Hmm.
So do you
But
have on?
I
Do
want
you
to say
have
one
on?
thing, Rita, your video is not proper. Like it is a blur.
Yeah, because you know my camera is not good.
Okay, okay, no problem.
That's why. Yeah,
Okay.
my front camera is not good, but back camera is good.
Okay. So Geeta, you were saying you have two children, one daughter, one son. So how old are they?
My daughter is 8 year old, and my son is 4 year old.
Okay. So your daughter, which class she is?
What?
I'm asking your daughter, which class she is?
Yeah, my daughter is fourth class in fourth class,
Okay, okay.
and my
So
son is
why,
one.
okay, why did you leave your studies? You were saying that you are 12th pass out. You never tried to study further.
Yeah, I because you know some after married I have no time for study, and because you know in village area everyone know because everyone wants like a household chores do
Yeah.
not study. Yeah, that's why I can't study.
Okay. You couldn't study because you were busy with your household chores and in-laws wanted their
Yeah,
yeah, household chore was done rather than studies. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
yeah. But I
So you
complete my with YouTube.
okay, okay, that is great. So like
Yeah.
your kids are going to English medium school? They are studying in English medium school?
No, no, no. They school they study only private school.
Okay. Give me 1 minute.
Okay.
You love stitching.
Yeah, but you are not visual.
Yeah, now it's okay. Hmm. You were saying you were like stitching, dancing. Still, you dance sometimes whenever you get time.
Yeah, whenever I get time and whenever get you any function that time.
Okay. Eh, Any function you love to dance. Whenever you go, any
Yeah,
function, when is any function in your home, that time you dance. Okay. Hmm.
yeah. But my mother also likes teaching, and my sister also likes teaching. So that's why I also like stitching, and I do.
Okay. So how did you learn? Who taught you stitching? Your mother? Yeah, you learn somewhere else.
I watch my mother. That's why I know.
Okay. So you stitch your clothes yourself.
Yeah, my
Okay.
mother-in-law clothes and my daughter clothes and over.
Okay. Your clothes, your mother-in-law clothes, and your daughter clothes, you stitch yourself. That is great.
Yeah.
In that way, you are saving money as well. So, ever you try to stitch others' clothes also, like your neighbors? If someone saying, please stitch our.
No, because I have don't more time, so that's why.
Okay, okay. You don't have more time. Mm.
Yeah, because
Hmm.
sometimes I taught my daughter and son, so that's
You
why I.
teach your you teach your children. That is why you are
Yeah,
not able to proper time. Hmm.
yeah,
Don't mean fast, but you can say that you teach. I teach. Yeah, you can say like that.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, what do you do to improve your English? What kind of activities? What kind of strategies are you applying?
Yeah, nowadays my practice is not good because I live in my metal house for beauty parlor course. That's why I live in here. And sometime whenever I get time, that time I watch English content in YouTube on YouTube, and sometime I'm reading books, story books, and sometime I watch you can say Sunshine Channel story.
Yeah,
So that's all.
that is very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, English and basic. And which YouTuber is your favorite one? Who is your favorite YouTuber?
Kanchan
Which
ma'am.
YouTuber? Kanchan ma'am.
Kanchan Kesri ma'am. Yeah.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. Hmm. So, like you are at your mother's home to learn beauty parlor course. So, you want to start your beauty parlor? It is
Yeah. Yeah. Because in my village, only three beauty parlor course. Only
only three beauty parlor is there. Only three beauty parlor,
yeah.
not course. No, only three beauty parlor is there. That is why you want to start your
But
own beauty parlor. There is a scope. You
yeah,
can start
two is
and you
good.
can earn money. Hmm.
Two are good, but one is not good. So I want.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to
But
start
that is
it.
a good thing. In that way, you can earn money and you can start from your home beauty parlor. Yeah, that is a great thing. Hmm.
So you
Okay.
please tell me why did you start your journey? Like why did you start you speak English?
It was my wish for personal growth. Like nowadays, English is very common. If you go outside somewhere, they start speaking in English. And after getting education, if you are not comfortable with this language, so you feel like that. Like, yeah. When you are not into like practice of this language, no, you feel fear. You feel scared. So I thought rather than feeling awkward, I should work on myself. That is why I started.
Yeah. And how many children do you have?
I have two boys. Both are grown up. One just completed his education and doing business, and
Yeah.
younger one is just preparing for MCA.
Okay. So if you have any or more question, then you ask.
Okay, let's talk another time. Yeah, but you are a very good speaker. I would like to connect you again. Okay,
Okay. I'm also.
okay, bye.
Bye.
And okay, bye.